Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we're making a famous, scrumptious, delicious dessert from Egypt called Ali, which translates to Mother of Ali. As usual, detailed ingredients are going to be at the end of the video and in the description box for you. There are many ways that this dessert can be prepared, and this is not the original way of making it, but it is our easy and short way, and the taste is pretty much the same. This works best with pieces of stale, dry, plain croissants, and if you have fresh ones, toast them in the oven to dry them out and get them crispy. That will take about 15 to 25 minutes depending on your oven, and at around 175 to 180 degrees Celsius. We just want them to get crispy and browned and not burnt, so while those are in the oven, let's start with our liquid mixture. In a bowl, we'll start out with 4 cups of full-fat fresh milk, a cup and a half or 400 grams of sweetened condensed milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, more if the brand that you use isn't too concentrated, 170 grams of clotted cream, also known as qishta. At this point, we're going to be mixing everything really well with a whisk. And finally, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and you can add more if you like. Don't forget to give it a taste to see if you want to add in a bit more sugar, if you want it to be sweeter, but trust me, the sweetened condensed milk is sweet enough. Take the croissants out of the oven and leave them to cool. In the meantime, we will be toasting a variety of ingredients to add. We'll start with toasting almond slivers, then pine nuts, pistachio slivers, and finally coconut shavings or coconut powder. Once they're all toasted, we'll put them in a bowl and mix them well. And now we can begin assembling our Ali dish. And we also added some almond shavings, and you don't have to add those, but it's just because we had them lying around. Place the toasted croissant cuts into a casserole, sprinkle in some golden raisins if you have them, along with the nuts mixture that we toasted. Then we're going to start drowning them with the sweet cinnamon milk mixture that we've made. You basically just want to make sure that you're alternating in between dry ingredients and the liquid mixture, and make sure that every part of the casserole is covered, just so that whenever you take a bite at any time, you're always getting an equal amount of everything. When your casserole is full and can no longer hold any more ingredients, stop there. Cover it with aluminum and pop it back into the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes on 175 degrees Celsius to 180, because Ali is a dessert served and enjoyed while it is warm. Not to say that it's not good while it's cold, but that's not how it is meant to be eaten. For the final 5 to 10 minutes of the Ali being in the oven, you're gonna want to take the aluminum off and just allow it to dry out and crisp up a bit from the top. If the Ali is a bit too soggy for your taste and you want it a bit more dry, leave it uncovered in the oven longer, just so that the liquid mixture evaporates and reduces, and you get a drier and crustier topping as well. Please note that if you filled the liquid mixture into the casserole all the way to the top, that there's a very high chance that while it's in the oven, it's going to bubble over and probably going to ruin your oven. So you might want to put it on a cookie sheet pan, or put it on some aluminum, or just protect the bottom of your oven in any way. If you've never had Ali before, I think now is the right time for you. You cannot go through life not having tasted this. Another culture's signature dish never tasted so good. It's like a hug for your tummy. You're gonna thank me. Anyway, we hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a like and subscribe for more if you want. We've got a lot more to show you. Have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!